Day 85 challenge. Today let's see an interesting activity, a 7-year-old reading a random book. Okay, let's check out the names of the books first. Can you read the name of the book?
Autobiography of a Yogi.
Okay, what is this?
The Habit of Winning.
Okay. This one?
Do it the Eagle Way.
Nice. Let me read this.
First thing first.
Author?
First things
Who's the author?
Stephen or
Or?
Covey.
Covey. Okay, can we read a random page now? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay? Any page. Yes, now start. Wait. From the title.
The long spoon and short of life. From my days of growing up as a little kid at Jaipur, one of my fondest memories is of the entire family huddled under a blanket on a cold winter evening, listening to tales from India mythology that my father would narrate as heater read in the quiet of the night.
DM us to know more about this activity. The world's best vibrant enrichment program from Japan, now in India.